today I'm going to show you how to do a system, solve a system of equation when your equations are not in slope-intercept form. So I have two equations, x plus y equals 6 and x minus y equals 2. All right, so I set up two tables, and what I'm going to do is pick values that I can plug into these equations and solve for the missing variable. All right, so let's see how that works. So it says, find three solutions for each equation by choosing values of x and solving for y to make the equation true. Okay, so what that means is I choose a number. Choose a number that's easy to work with. I'm going to choose 0. Okay, so if I put 0 in for x, it becomes 0 plus y equals 6. Okay, so you can probably do this in your head, what that would equal, what y would equal. Pretty self-explanatory. So y equals 6. So that's one coordinate that would be on this line, but we need 3. So we're going to pick another number. Okay, so I'm going to pick 1. You can pick any numbers you want. I'm going to pick 1. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to put 1 in for x, and I'm going to solve for y. 1 plus something equals 6. Well, you know what that is. But if you don't, you can solve this like a two-step equation by subtracting 1 on each side, bring down my y, and then you can see that y equals 5. So that's my second point. I don't have to go in order, but I can. Let's see. How about if I do 3? I'll do 3. I'll go up here because I ran out of room. So I'm going to do 3 now for x plus y equals 6. I'm going to do the same thing. So 3 plus something equals 6. Or I can solve it like a two-step equation. That cancels out, and that's 3. All right. So coming over to my graph, these are coordinates: 0, 6, 1, 5, 3, 3. They should make a line if you've done it correctly, because this still is linear. All right, there we go. All right, now I have two equations, so let me do the second one. Over here on the other side, it's x minus y equals 2. So again, I'm going to pick values for x. I could pick values for y. Maybe I'll do that in the next one. I always start with something that's easy to work with. So again, I'm going to use 0. So I'm going to put 0 in for x. So it becomes 0 minus y equals 2. Okay. Oh, this one's a little more tricky. So I have negative y equals 2. I don't want to know what negative y equals. I want to know what y equals. So I need to do one step. I need to divide by negative 1. So y is going to equal negative 2. Okay. Let's try another option here. Let's try when y equals 0. Let's try it. So now instead of putting 0 in for x, I'm going to put it in for y. So I'm going to have x minus 0 equals 2. Something minus 0 equals 2. Well, anything minus 0 is just itself. So that's going to be 2. So I have two options. It is linear as well, so you can probably see a pattern here. But let's choose another variable. Well, we see a pattern, so might as well go with it and go with 4 for x. I will come over here. How about 4 minus y? I'm putting 4 in for x equals 2. Subtract 4, subtract 4. Bring down my negative y. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. I need to divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. So positive y is going to equal 2. Okay. I have my 3 coordinates for this line, so I need to graph them. 0, negative 2, 2, 0, and 4, 2. And then I'm going to make my line. I might need to adjust that a little. I don't know if I can. I can. All right. And then our whole purpose in this is finding the solution for the systems of equation. So we find our solution for the system of equation as where the 2 lines intersect. So we looked at our graph and we find that the 2 lines intersect at coordinate, let's see, 4, 2. Okay. My whole screen just went blank. Sorry about that. There it goes. There it's back. All right. They intersect at 4, 2. We can check our work up here. If we put x, if we put 4, if we put y as 2, yes, that does equal 6. Now we can try it over here. X is 4, y is 2. 4 minus 2 does equal 2. So it does work. We checked our work. So that's how you solve a system of equation when your equations are in what's called standard form. Thank you.